Friends, in this video session, I am going to present the short summary of the Rat Trap, which has been written by Selma Lagerlof. Friends, the story is based on the theme of essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. Friends, let me start the story. You listen this story very much carefully. Once upon a time, there was a man who went selling a small piece of rat traps. He used to make them himself in his old moments. Even though business was not profitable, so he had to resort both on begging and petty thievery. Even after his cheeks were sunken, hunger gleamed in his eyes, and clothes were in rags. Friends, he was leading very much miserable life. As once he was just thinking of his rat trap, that time an idea struck his mind that his rat trap, he compared his rat trap with the earth. As the rat trap offers cheese, pork, similarly the earth offers riches, shelter, and different other things. Where people being greedy, they are just tempted towards the earth. One dark evening, he was just trudging along the road. That time he found the old man's crofter's house, and he knocked the door, and thereafter he was welcomed there. He was given porridge, and he was served with, by playing amjolis and a pipe. And finally the crofter sold 30 kroner to him to take in his own confidence. That 30 kroner was later in the next morning stolen by that same man, the peddler, by a smashing window and taking the money into his pocket. After stealing the money, he started running towards the highway, but he turned his way to the confusing forest, and he went to the confusing forest where he couldn't come out. By the late evening, he just sank down in the ground, and he heard a voice of regular thumping of a hammer. He moved towards that sound, and thereafter he found Ramsu iron mill. He entered that. The master smith just gave a hearty consent to stay in that, but the real honor, the iron master came, and he mistook him by his old acquaintance. He invited him to come to the manor house, but the man thought about his 30 kroner. He denied and denied. Thereafter, finally, the iron master sent his daughter to persuade him. Iron master daughter had a very nice perception to understand the human beings, and she understood the problem of the rat trap. She thought that either the man had escaped from the jail or he had stolen something. And thereafter, she started giving him love and respect. Then the man got agreed to go there, and thereafter he went there and in the manor house. In next morning, Iron Master realized his mistake, that last night he mistook the man as his old acquaintance. Then friends, finally Edla interceded Iron Master when he was chasing him away from his house. Edla tried to give him love and respect as the real captain. Means after knowing the truth of this, Edla tried to give him love and respect as real captain, and it changed the rat trap peddler. And friends, when daughter and father went to the Christmas service, that time the man packed a gift in very much bad manner, and he presented three things in that: a letter, 30 kroner, and a small piece of rat trap. And he handed it over to the valet who was there, and he told to give to the Edla. When Edla heard in the church that the man was thief, both father and daughter hurried towards that manor house, and they came to the manor house and asked the valet whether the man was there. But the valet told the man is not here, but he had presented something for Edla. And Edla opened that gift and read the letter. She found a rat trap which was for her Christmas gift, and 30 kroner. After seeing those things, Edla gave a sort of cry. She became very happy, and she read the letter that Edla was only given the credit of transforming of that peddler. And friends, the letter was signed Captain von Stehal. It means Edla's love and understanding had changed a thief or a peddler as a real captain. Here friends, the story ends. This story is very much nice. If you listen this story again and again, you'll be able to speak fluent English, and moreover for the examinee, the video will help them to get or more marks. Friends, if you are new in the channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.